Hello, this is Joe Yuhan here with part 2 of our hip rotation efficiency exercises. Part 1 was internal rotation of the hip, working the front side. Part 2 is going to be the opposite. We're going to work external rotation on the back side. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your roller, and in what should look familiar to a lot of runners, we're going to do this cross-legged rolling on the roller, but it's more than just rolling the glutes. As before, as with the first one, we are going to have two strategies. Number one, a soft tissue mobilization of the surrounding area of those myofascial structures, but then with a intention of impacting the femur, the head of the femur in the socket of the pelvis. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get on here, and then I'm going to rolling towards that hip in question, and begin to roll across the glute. As you can see, I've got the roll in this vertical position. It's worth experimenting that versus the horizontal position. But rather than just roll the glutes, we're going to do what I call rolling on the baseball within the pillow. And so the pillow is the soft tissues of the glutes. The baseball is that ball of the femur, the femoral head in the socket. And so what we want to do is we want to free the surrounding pillow, the surrounding glute muscles, and then get across and over that femoral head while it's in external rotation to improve that overall mobility and sort of softness within the joint. And so in this position, what I first want to do is just roll around the perimeter of that baseball. Find the borders of it, and if there's any sticky, stiff borders of that baseball and pillow, that's that glute musculature, those myofascial structures that need to get free before we can try to stretch it. Once I've freed that perimeter, then I'm going to start to go directly over the baseball, directly over that femoral head. So the first thing that I like to do is these side-to-side rotations. That's the outer part of the femur, inner part of the femur, as I sort of work my way down and then back up. Side to side, and then what I can do is go up and down across that femoral head. To then work even more on rotation, I can then pin that femoral head on the roller and add additional rotations through my knee moving up and down, which is some internal rotation, some external rotation. But in general, what we're trying to do is to simply put different movements on that femoral head in this position of external rotation. This is the nice complement to the internal rotation anterior hip strategy that we did in part 1. So as it is with this one, you want to spend a few minutes doing soft tissue mobilization, then 2 or 3 rounds of 30 seconds or so of mobilization of the posterior hip directly on that femoral head to try to get it soft.